Okay, this is a quick video to talk about caching and staging environments. Scenic Gems is a live website, and as such, making changes on the live site would be problematic with people using the website on a daily basis. So developers need to work in staging environments to do their testing, and I'll just quickly run through staging environments and caching as well. So I will provide you with a staging environment. So basically it's the same website, it's just got staging and whatever number to indicate the staging environment. If I go to, I'll just log in. So it's SG login to log into the website. Well, I'm already logged in, but if you weren't, that's how you would do it. And you would enter your login credentials, which I've provided, and you would come into the dashboard. Now, a quick word on caching. So you've got your browser cache, obviously. My web host, SiteGround. Up the top, on the top admin bar, you can see that you can purge the SiteGround cache, and that's easy enough. You just click that, and then it is cleared. And also, before you start any work, if you don't know already, you need to log into cloudflare.com with the information that I've provided you once again, and then log in with the information that I've provided. Click on the website, place it into development mode, which lasts for 3 hours, and you can purge the cache as well. This is a site-wide application, so this is going to apply to the live website as well. So once you've finished doing your work, if you could even turn development mode back off, that would be a help, because that's going to speed up the user experience for the users of Scenic Gems. So development mode, purging cache here, and come back to here, and SiteGround and your browser cache are all the caches. So once you've made your code changes, I can check it, and then I can push the changes out to the live site once I'm happy with testing and making sure that it's all okay. So that's essentially it, and I'll leave it over to you now to go through this. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Great, thank you, cheers.